So what we have to do is to request human review for this video that has been placed as ad suitability or limited ads. Hello and welcome to this YouTube tutorial once again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the ad suitability restriction you see on some of your YouTube videos when you try to monetize them. As you can see on my screen, I have this limited monetization on this particular video on my YouTube channel. This issue is peculiar to those whose YouTube channel have been monetized and are part of the YouTube partnership program. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this so you can also make money with all those videos that have been restricted. So when you hover over the limited sign, you see a notification that says that this video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. So what happens when you upload a video is that during the processing period of the video being uploaded to YouTube, the YouTube robot will try to identify if there's anything in the video that is not suitable for advertisers, because advertisers are placing ads on your YouTube video, and that is how YouTube and yourself make money. YouTube wants to be sure that the videos that they are placing ads on do not contain some sensitive words, information, pictures, or videos. If you hover over the ad suitability, you see it says this video is running limited or no ads. So sometimes they may be playing some limited videos on it or no ads on it at all. So what are some of the things that the YouTube robot checks out for to know if our videos are suitable for monetization or not? So I will just come here and try and put on this video for monetization so that I will see those criteria that the YouTube robot checks out for. These are the criteria that the YouTube robot checks out for to know if our videos are suitable for monetization. If your videos fall into any of this category, this fix that I'm trying to teach you may not work. But if you are sure that your video does not fall into any of this category, then this fix I'm trying to teach you is going to work for you. So let's read what the criteria says. Tell us what's in your video. Does your video's content, title, description, or keywords contain any of the following? Inappropriate language. So does your video contain inappropriate language? Does it contain adult content? Does it contain anything that relates to violence? Does it contain shocking content? Does it contain harmful or dangerous acts? Does it contain recreational drug content? Does it have enabling dishonest behavior? Does it have hateful or derogatory? Does it have hateful or derogatory content? Does it have firearm related content? Advertisers don't want all that. Does it have sensitive events? Does it have controversial topics? So we'll click none of the above. So these are what the YouTube robot checks out for. So it checks through our content, title, description, keyword, even the thumbnail. Also, you have to also be sure that your thumbnail does not contain any of these inappropriate things, any of these things that are listed here as criteria that advertisers do not like. So click submit. So those are the criteria that the YouTube robot checks out for to determine if our content is suitable for monetization or not. And if the YouTube robot believes that it falls into any of those categories, it's going to place this limited ads on it or ad suitability restriction on it. So how do we fix this now? The way to fix it is that we have to request a human review for that video. So if you believe that your video does not contain anything violence, drug, inappropriate language, inappropriate sexual, whatever, all those criteria. So if you believe that your video does not contain any of those criteria that we just saw, you can now request for a human to review your video. Like I said, it's a robot that automatically processes the video and places this ad limited or ad suitability restriction on it. So now we will now request a human to review the video. So you just click that video. So I'm just going to click this video now to open the details so that we can request a human to review the video, because we are sure that our content does not contain any of those inappropriate criteria. So when you open that particular video that has ad suitability on it in the YouTube studio, you just scroll down to the place below the visibility where you can make it public or not. So under that, you see where it says restriction ad suitability. So this video has ad suitability, and when we hover over it, we can see ad suitability. This video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription from revenues and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. And after that, you now see request review. So what we have to do is to request human review for this video that has been placed as ad suitability or limited ads. So just click on that request review, and we are going to be requesting a human review. So it says request human review if you are certain that your video thumbnail, the metadata, meets YouTube advertiser friendly guideline. You can request a human review based on a number of signals. So you can just click to learn more. So I'll just click. It says I have double checked that my video satisfied YouTube advertisers friendly guidelines. So you have to be sure you saw the guideline that I showed you earlier, all those I think 7 things that we saw. So you have to be sure that your video, your thumbnail, your your thumbnail, your metadata, all the description and everything in your content follows that guideline. If you are sure, then you click this box here to say that I have double checked that my video satisfies YouTube advertiser friendly guidelines. So after clicking that box, then you now come and click request review. When you click request review, your video is going to be reviewed by a human in, I think, in less than 1 week. So in less than 1 week, your video is going to be reviewed by a human, and if they believe that your video is eligible, the restriction is going to be removed. As you can see here now, ad suitability under review. This video is being reviewed to determine whether it is suitable for most advertisers. So now this video is under review. If they determine that it's suitable, the restriction is going to be removed. But if they still discover that it is not suitable, the limitation and the ad suitability will remain on that video. So that is how you fix the ad suitability on YouTube. That's how you remove the limitation on your YouTube video for monetization. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.